Wait before you skip this, because I just stumbled upon something that's got me totally fascinated, the secret to effortless weight loss that Kelly Clarkson swears by, and it's all about the gelatin trick. You know, we've all been there, scrolling through social media, wondering how our favorite celebrities manage to look so radiant and healthy all the time. Well, it turns out that the gelatin trick is one of their best-kept secrets. Researchers have been studying the effects of gelatin on our digestive system, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can wake up feeling more refreshed and lighter, without the bloated feeling that often comes with a big meal. My friend, who's a huge fan of Kelly Clarkson, tried the gelatin trick and saw a significant difference in just a few days. If you're curious to learn more about how the gelatin trick can help you achieve your weight loss goals, check out the link in my description below for a simple and easy-to-follow guide. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips on how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily ritual.